Welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be removing the airbox on a 2014 Triumph Speed Triple. So I already have a video on the channel about removing the airbox off a 2016 Speed Triple. Now this is a 2014, so this should cover 2011 to 2015 models. Although the airbox looks very similar, there are differences. So as you can see, I've already removed the battery, I've taken the tank off. I'll put a link in the description about the removal of the tank on the 2016 Speed Triple. That is exactly the same, but there are slight differences to removing the actual airbox. So I'll just take you in a little bit closer. So as with the 2016 model, you have bolts here and here. There's two on the 2016 model, there's only one each side. And on this one, of course, you must remove the battery, which I've already done, but you can also remove the battery bracket by just pushing it out of its clip, which will give you a little bit more room here. Now this is exactly the same on the 2016 model, so just take that off. Or you can disconnect it if you want to. I'm leaving it connected because I'm going to do some throttle balancing. Now you don't need to take the air filter out. You can leave it on if you want to, but I want to wash that as well. Like I say, the clamp for the airbox and the air filter is under there, but you can manage to pull it out if you wanted to. But I'm going to clean the air filter, so I might as well take this out. Sometimes these can be a little bit tight. Don't be afraid to give them a pull. And we're going to disconnect this. Don't worry about leaving these flopping around. You can't get them mixed up. They will not go in the wrong way. There's another one there. We're going to take this off, which I think is the ECU for the immobiliser. Again, like I say, I'm going to do some throttle body balancing, so I can't just disconnect it. Okay, now there's a number of pipes you need to pull out. There's one there, look. Again, that can't be connected incorrectly. There's another one there. Let's have a look. One down there. Okay, so the major difference between this model, the 2011 to 2015, is the airbox doesn't split. So if you look at my other video on the 2016 model, you take the top piece off and you unscrew it from inside. This one doesn't work like that. What you have on this one, you have two bolts down here, or two nuts should I say. Okay, so this is now what's holding on the airbox as opposed to from the inside of the airbox. So when you try to pull it away, sometimes it feels like it doesn't want to come. It will come out. So if somebody will give it a pull and you think, okay, there's There's obviously something holding this in place and giving that good decent pull, and it's not coming out. Give it a pull. There we are, and it will come out. Then you just got to withdraw it. And that is it. That is the airbox off. So just a quick video showing you the difference between a 2016-17 model and the 2011 to 2015 model. It is slightly different. Everything else under there is almost the same, pretty similar. So if you like that video, please like, share and subscribe.